Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about the Roga Marga. You can see the screen presented over here in the front. Uh, so, uh, First we'll start with the basics of Roga Marga. The first is the three dosh. So, as the slok says, Vayu Pittam Kapha Cheti Trayo Dosha Samasata. There are three doshas in the body named as Vayu, Pitta, and Kapha. Next, we know the Shat Kriyakal. The three dosh are the basis of the body. Shat Kriyakal is nothing but the pathogenesis, you can say. It occurs in 6 stages. The Choy, that is accumulation, Prakop, that is aggravation, Prasar, that is spreading, Sthanashraya means localization, Vyapti means manifestation, and Bheda means differentiation. So you all can relate that Choy is nothing but the accumulation of the dosha in its own place. Prakop means its aggravation in the same place, and Prasar means spreading of the dosh in various other places. Localization, sthana samshaya. With that, you can understand that it localizes in the places other than its own site. Vyapti means it starts showing some symptoms and specific symptoms, and Bhed means you can totally identify it is a particular disease. So Roga Marga is nothing but when the Prakarut dosha lead to different Vyadhi by entering different Roga Marga. That you know that every dosh has its own sthan. In the same way, when dosh leaves its own sthan and enters any other sthan, it forms Vyadhi. Okay, so that is considered as Roga Marga. And the Sadhya Vyadhi and Asadhya Vyadhi. Sadhya Vyadhi are which are curable, and Asadhya means which are not curable. Okay, and the Sadhya Asadhyatva, whether the Vyadhi is curable or non-curable, is also dependent on the Roga Marga of the Vyadhi. Okay, so if we apply Karya Karan Siddhanta over here, we can understand that Karya Vyadhi is the Karya and Vikruta Dosha is the Karana. So Roga Marga are of three types, that is the Bahya, external, Abhyantar or internal, and Madhyam Marga. Okay, so here we have the shlok. Let us start individually understanding the Roga Marga. First we have the Bahya Roga Marga, that is the Shakha Rakta Deha Tvakcha Bahya Roga Yanam Hitat Tadashraya, and then you have the Masha, Vyanga, Ganda, Alajja, Arbuda, etc. These are the Vyadhi. So first, each loop of each marga that can be categorized into two. First is its sthan of that roga, and the other you see, that is Masha, Vyanga, etc. are the diseases which you see are manifested over here. Okay, so this is the Bahya Roga Marga. Then you see here the samas, the grammaticals of Sanskrit. Then we have the sthan. So rakta adaya means rakta, mausa, meda, asti, majja, shukra, the remaining sapta dhatu. Tvak means skin. And the vyadhi caused in this Roga Marga Masya means moles, Vyanga, Ganda, Alaj. You can see the translations over here. The same way we have the other translations too. Coming to the Abhyantar Roga Marga, Anta Koshta Mahasrota Ama Pakvashya Ashreha Tat Sthanaha. These are the sthan of Abhyantara Koshta. Again we have the grammar part, and here we have the sthan Amashya and Pakvashya. Okay, so these are the internal Roga Marga, the places which are present inside the body. Okay, these are Vyadhi you see which are Chardi, Atisar, etc. Then we come to the Madhyam Roga Marga. Madhyam Roga Marga consists of Shira, Hruday, Basti, etc. are its sthana, and its Vyadhi are Yakshma, that is Rajakshma, tuberculosis, hemiplegia, ardhitam, facial paralysis, etc. Okay. Coming to its clinical application, so Bahya Roga Marga, first of all, the Gati of dosha can be either from the Shakha to the Koshtha or Koshtha to the Shakha. Shokha means the trunk region you see, and Shakha means your limbs. So the dosha can travel from your Shakha to your Koshtha or from Koshtha to the Shakha. The dosha which have the places originally in the Shakha can travel to the Koshtha and vice versa. So when the dosha leave their original places, they cause Vyadhi. Okay, so for that identification or learning much more about the Gati of the dosha, you can study the Ashtanga Sutrasthan 13th chapter. They have given the title over there, that Gati of dosha, Kosha to Shakha, Shakha to Kosha. Okay, and the Madhyama Roga Marga you see are the Trik side, it is a Hruday, Basti, Shira, Trik Marma. About Trik Marma, you will be knowing by Acharya Charak has mentioned about Tri Marma. Okay, and its chikitsa can be similar to the Marma chikitsa is being given. Okay, and the Sadhya Asadhyatva of the Vyadhi. The Vyadhi occurring in purely one Roga Marga can be sadhya. That means if Vyadhi is being has been going to another place in its own place, but only at one different site. It can be identified, it can be removed. But if it is spreading all over the body or more than one or two or three sites, it is very difficult to identify or even cure the Vyadhi. So this is the clinical application. Next we have a summary over here where, as I said, that the shlok can be divided into two parts, a sthana part and a vyadhi part. So according to that, here I have just mentioned the Sanskrit technical terms for it to fit in a single page. If you are able to remember this chart, then it is beneficial. Okay, and thank you.